Hello, my name is Ihsan Purnama. In this video, I will show you how to make a typical short Sulawesi headband as used by Sultan Hasanuddin, namely Pattonro. Let's watch.
The cloth used to make Pattonro is a triangular shaped cloth like this. Then the cloth is folded into 5 or 6 folds like this. Give a little underlining to tidy up the fabric. After that, reverse the fold of the cloth. Then hold both sides of the fabric and crosswise. Right side is below, left side is above. The side of the cloth that is above, folded inward, then fold again to the top. After that, the cloth on the left side is folded to the right, then fold in, like this. The folded end of the cloth is inserted like this. Like this is the result.
This is the traditional Pattonro headband typical of Makassar, South Sulawesi.
This unraveled cloth symbolizes crab claws, which contain a philosophical meaning that Makassar people always consistent with what they say, while the cloth that protrudes upwards symbolizes that Makassar people always stick to their principles.
That's how the video tutorial this time. Am I similar to Sultan Hasanuddin? Thank you for watching.